Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Spotahome app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Spotahome is a rental housing app designed to help users find mid- to long-term accommodations in major cities across Europe. Unlike traditional listings, Spotahome offers virtual property tours, high-quality photos, floor plans, and verified listings so users can rent without physically visiting the place. It's especially useful for students, expats, or remote workers planning a move abroad. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is cleanly designed and relatively easy to navigate. Users appreciate the transparency Spotahome offers, with video walkthroughs, honest property descriptions, and neighborhood info. Booking is mostly smooth, and support is available in multiple languages, which makes the platform accessible to international users. However, it's not flawless. Some users have reported delays in landlord responses or changes in availability after booking. Refunds in case of booking cancellations can take time, and the customer service experience varies. Some found it helpful, others not so much. Also, the service fee charged by Spotahome can feel a bit high to budget renters. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Spotahome is worth using if you're looking to rent remotely in another country and want peace of mind before committing. It offers detailed listings, verified properties, and a user-friendly booking experience. Just be aware of potential delays and read the terms clearly before confirming. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.